Good morning, everybody. We start with the global market news update today. Extraordinary rally rips through all market after an unexpectedly bold move from the Bank of Japan. The Federal Reserve indicated that US rates are about to come down, and an explosive rise in US mega cap stock on Wednesday. Investor may need some respite on Thursday. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq scored their biggest daily percentage gain since Feb 2022. The Dow rose on Wednesday as chip stock rallied and the Federal Reserve kept US interest rate unchanged. US Treasury yield fell Wednesday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hinted at a potential rate cut in September. The yield on the 10-year Treasury was down nearly 5 basis points to 4.092%. The 2-year Treasury yield dropped 4 basis points to 4.315%. Recent economic data has pointed towards inflation data falling back towards the central bank 2% target, while the unemployment rate has crept up above 4%. Now coming to the Indian market, Nifty closed around 93 point positive, that is around 0.38%. And today's support level would be around 24,780, followed by 24,702. And today's resistance level would be around 25,126, followed by 25,203. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around 53 point positive, that is around 0.11% positive. And today's support level would be around 5874, followed by 5489. And the resistance level would be around 52,270, followed by 52,582. As far as mid cap is concerned, mid cap closed around 367 point positive, that is around 0.63% positive, and today's resistance level would be around 58,587, followed by 58,391, and the resistance level would be around 59,476, followed by 59,708. As far as small cap is concerned, small cap closed around negative 69 point, that is around negative 0.36%. And today's support level would be around 18,992, followed by 18,917. And the resistance level would be around 19,358 and followed by 19,466. Now coming to the sectoral update, we see yesterday good opportunity in telecom sector, and the opportunity we see in power sector, infrastructure sector, IT sector, consumer durable sector, logistics sector, chemical sector. And we see yesterday good delivery in industrial gases and fuel sector, retailing sector, media and entertainment sector, power sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the Tata Group stock basket with the expected return of 8%. And the performance review of the basket we gave before is a large cap performed around 3.79%. Auto sector basket performed around 4.65%. Private bank basket performed around negative 0.85%. FMCG sector performed around 3.54%. Pharma sector performed around 3.63%, and the Tata Group till now performed 1.22%.